What name should I call this wig? Let me know in the comment section. Clients requested that I recreate the popular knotless braid on a wig for her. Everything about this wig was inspired by my clients, ranging from the color, the length, the lace frontal. It was all inspired by my client. You must have seen tutorials of how to make this wig, but you have not seen mine. If you watch this video to the end, you are going to learn one or two things. I made a tutorial video of this frontal placement, so if you have not watched it, check my channel. I just crocheted my first braid, so I'm just going to crochet in between. I know that some of you will be very familiar with this process, but I'm still going to explain it for those that are not familiar with this process. I mean beginners, so they are going to understand. What I'm just doing right now is crocheting the braiding hair in between the first row. Okay, so I'm done just showing you guys how it looks. I'm going to complete it later when I'm done braiding my hair. Now I'm just going to continue the whole process like this until I get to the top. Keep watching. I'm going to say this disclaimer: my videos are always on speed, so that this particular video is not going to be long. Not that I'm hiding something or whatsoever, but if you feel like the speed is just too much for you to understand, there is always a way you can slow down this speed in this YouTube app. Just click on the settings. You are going to see speed. Click on the speed and choose your selected any speed you want. If you want it in slow, if you want it more faster, anyhow you want it to be. Okay, this particular side of a frontal wig is where you need to pay attention, because if you don't fill it out very well, it's going to be scanty. Like, how do I explain this? After making your wig, it's going to be opening and people will get to know that your client or you is wearing a wig. I don't even know if you understand what I mean. So you have to fill out this side of this wig. You have to fill it out very, very well so that it's going to close up. Just keep watching. You see how I close mine. I just did the knotless braid on one side of this wig, and I'm going to use the other side that I've not braided to show you guys what I did. Okay, so I'm just simply showing you guys how I braided this knotless braid so that you are going to see. So I'm going to show you how I was able to achieve this knotless braid in just some seconds. Okay, just keep watching. Please press the like button of my video. It's very, very important for me. Support my channel by pressing the like button, subscribe, share my videos to your family and your friends. Okay, so now I'm about to start the other side. First of all, I have to part out my baby hair. For those of you that likes baby hair, I have to part it out first before I go over to parting my hair. Reason why I always like parting my hair is so that I can achieve a very clean part. Okay, if you don't want to part your hair, some people will feel like it's come with a lot of stress. You can also part it out while braiding, but I just part my hair first before I braid so that I'm going to have a very clean part. Okay, my aim is to achieve a very beautiful and clean braids and not to be very, very fast. You get what I mean? Before I start braiding, I will remind you again to subscribe, press the like button of this video if you've not done that. It's not going to cost you anything. Please don't be stingy with your like, please. Some of you don't press the like button after watching my videos, and it's not very nice. Yes, it's really not very nice, I have to admit. If I want to do my knotless braid, I always bring out four braiding hair or 3 braiding hair. I will add the 3 braiding hair when I'm doing the knotless, then I will add the remaining one after I'm done doing the knotless braid. I'm going to add the remaining one to make the braids not to look thin. I really don't know how to explain, but I believe that some of you will have an idea of how to do knotless braid. But if you don't know how to do knotless braid, you can drop a comment in the comment section, so I will make a separate video for that. Okay, so my loves, I'm going to stop talking here because I don't want to be a distraction to you guys. I'm going to come back later, maybe when I'm done braiding the hair, so just keep watching. You are going to learn 1 or 2 things or 3 things or even 1,000 things safe. Just keep watching, okay? And don't forget to like this video, press the like button, subscribe if you have not, comment, share. Okay, I've said this more than once. I'm tired. Just please do it for me, okay? Because it's going to encourage me to keep creating more content.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all.
Braiding, or would I say we are done with the braiding, because if you watch this video to this extent, you literally braided this hair with me. Okay, so I'm going to be completing the braids off camera because I believe that all of us will know how to braid, of course. So I'm just going to complete it to the length my client wanted it to be, that is 40 inches, and I'm going to come back to show you guys how it looks. Ladies and gentlemen, let's make welcome. Should I introduce this braids? Like, it's looking so cute. Rate this hair from 1 to 10. Rate it in the comment section. Let me know what you feel about this braids. Is it nice? And if you want to purchase this wig, chat me up on WhatsApp, send me a direct message. To make it easy for you, check my channel about. Okay, you are going to see my WhatsApp link there. Just click there and it's going to direct you to my WhatsApp. Okay, I'm waiting for you. Also, before I go, I have to say that you can style this wig anyhow you want it. I'm going to make a separate video showing you guys how to style knotless braid or knotless braided wig. You can style this hair in the front. You can style it anyhow you want it to be. Okay, I'm simply just showing you few styles you can make on this braid. This is very cute braid. Trust me, camera is not doing justice to this braid. Camera is not doing justice.